Good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this. Welcome back to Bush channel. We have a superpower these days thanks to OpenAI because ChatGPT is crazy. How crazy is it? I am not a programmer. I'm not really code something before, and I always dream to have a program that automatic quotation for 3D printing. Those things save me a lot of time. But every time I talk with this, most of the programmer I know that either is don't understand what I'm talking about, or there are some service out there like extremely expensive. And today I spent some time with ChatGPT and learn with how it works, collaboration with it, spend around 3-4 hours around that, 3 hours exact. So what do you see? And a few pages of code, and I have a basic. This is one mean is a 3D printing and product design quotation system. Basically, you can optional you want the product design or not. No, if you just 3D print, you basically just upload the file. Let's say you upload this file here, and then you go to send out, and it come out one. The price code is one. Now as using quick calculation, it's like 1489. This is a gram, and you get 1489. This 0.65 is the skirt from slicer. So to be exact, the price, the using material gram is exact correct. So if I could put something more smaller, it will be like less than 50 ringgit. 50 gram, it will automatically charge as 50. See, successful. So we can start from this a very basic web browser. Of course, now it's localhost. I can set it online later, and it can be functional for all the small workshop, easy for them to quotation. I have a bunch of services thing to make, and I know exactly what I want because I use that a lot. So I'm going to continue develop this process, but unfortunately now GPT-4 is only can use 25 minutes per hour, so it will take a few more hours, I guess, or maybe a few more days or weeks. But even though for someone like me who will never really code, can create something like this, that is awesome. If you still don't play or don't try it, no matter what you're doing, to your own business, and you will be fall out from the competition very fast. Well, what you want you see me to do in the next, maybe to finish, I will finish this definitely, but I would like to use it for something more crazy. If you want to see something, you want to ask how it work, you can leave in the comment, tell me, and see you next time. Good morning, afternoon, evening, with the pre